In this video, I will go over station management. So station management is where you can start your day for the head housekeeper to create the different boards for the different housekeepers. So if you look at station one, station two, these are going to be the boards for each property or each head housekeeper, so to speak. So what you want them to do is create update plan. And what we're going to do is go ahead and create a brand new plan. So you can see all the rooms here on the right. Some of them are clean, however, they may need a daily touch up and have different assignments to them. That is why they are in the cleaning plan items. So what you can do is you can allocate plan items manually, fill station to capacity, even distribution across stations. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set even distribution across the station. You can select a maximum, or you can assign a maximum over capacity. So if you're using the points to clean the rooms for your housekeepers, then you could set a capacity to add a few more minutes to each board, and those rooms will be allocated to that station there. Prioritization, if you want to use a accommodation loop number, or you can use a service sort order, either or. I like to use a combination loop number. And you could also auto allocate attendance. Any of these things here, you're able to manipulate after the boards are created, and I'll kind of show you. So if you auto allocate attendance and the attendant is not on staff today, you could adjust that and remove that attendant and assign somebody else to that board. Let's click OK. Now, as you can see, these rooms are distributed. All right. Let's say Rich Harris is not here today. We can go ahead and take him off, and we can assign Mark Short to this board. All right. So you can see there, these are the rooms that are assigned. So if you want to move this room here, you can do so. And now that room is on station number 2. All right. If you want to remove a room, you can remove the rooms in this way. And if you want to drag and drop them here, you can do so here. All right. You could filter this by zone. Right now, they're not in any type of zone. That's why we have selected no zone. I'm going to go ahead and move these here. If you want multiple attendants, you can assign multiple attendants. If you would like Lucy Murphy to have be able to assign to 2 stations, you could do so. If you want to update status of multiple rooms at a time, if you want to set them to clean or dirty, you could do so here. Post the selected items that does not require inspection. You could choose that here. You could choose an inspector here to inspect the rooms. You can post the selected items that requires inspection. So this does. And you could select and update all. So if I want to select and update them all to clean, I could do so. And now all the rooms are now green. All right. So now if you go to inspection, if I had assigned rooms to an inspector, that would show up here, and I go and choose an inspector, and what they could do is they could reject or approve, and they could select all the rooms once they show up here. You can close the plan. So once your day is completed, you go in and you can close the plan here. All right. And this is the forecast matrix. So basically what this allows you to do is if you need to know how many housekeepers you're going to need to put on the schedule for November 19th, you could do so here. Currently there are no, this is our test database, so there is no data. However, you can see arrivals, stayovers, you can see how many points, priority points, turnovers you are going to have for each of these days, and you could schedule accordingly.